Hey guys, I need your opinion on if I should even finish this drawing that I started a few months ago, and it's really not my style, but it's like chibi-like. It's not that good. I don't really like it. Nothing's really done. The background's not done. I only colored most of the saber-toothed tiger. And the background's really bad. Sun is a big fail. The clouds are horrible. I don't know if I should really even finish this, so yeah, bye.